Stay positive even when life is hard. Deep inside a vast forest, there lived a young elephant named Arjun. He was strong, kind, and always helped other animals. But one year, the forest faced its worst drought. Rivers dried up. Trees lost their leaves. Food became rare. Every animal was scared. Arjun tried his best to stay calm, but inside, he felt helpless. One evening, Arjun met a small sparrow named Kavi sitting quietly on a dry branch. Arjun sighed and said, "I am big and strong, but I can't save this forest. Everything is falling apart." Kavi smiled gently and replied, "Hard times don't test our strength, Arjun. They test our attitude." Arjun didn't understand. The next day, Arjun saw a fox named Mira digging near a dry tree. He asked, "Why are you wasting energy? There is no water here." Mira replied calmly, "I don't know when rain will come. But when it does, I want to be ready." Those words stayed in Arjun's heart. Days passed. The forest grew quieter. Some animals complained. Some gave up hope. But Kavi still sang every morning. Mira still worked every day. They believed that dark times don't last forever. Inspired by them, Arjun decided to act. He used his strength to dig deeper near the old riverbed. Where others had lost hope, many animals laughed at him. "Why try? Nothing will change," they said. But Arjun didn't stop. One night, clouds gathered. Rain poured heavily after many months. Water filled the deep pit Arjun had dug. Slowly, life returned. The same animals who doubted him now came running. The forest survived. Not because the rain came, but because someone stayed positive when everything felt impossible. Kavi flew above and said, "See, Arjun, positivity is not about ignoring problems. It's about believing you can face them." Arjun smiled, not because life was easy, but because he had learned the most important lesson. Glowing star moral of the story: hard times are temporary. Your attitude is permanent. Stay positive, even when life feels unfair.